Hi, I'm Chris McGann and I own GoGoChimp. And what we do is we help brands to make more money with their website by optimizing all the little things that you see on a web page. We also help brands with email marketing in order to really maximize the number of people who open their emails and click in order to go through and then buy products or services. We're now introducing landing page breakdowns, and it's a private video recording by conversion rate optimization experts, including myself, who'll share actionable advice, strategies, and techniques that are unique to your own landing page and website. We'll go through your main pages, examine every element visible on the desktop and mobile devices, and we'll give our pro tips so that you get more visitors doing the things that you need them to do. So here's a really quick example. So to give you some context, a common technique used by conversion rate optimization experts is to use what we call looking room. We naturally follow the eye line of what people are looking at. Similarly, we automatically look at something that's been pointed at by a person or an object. So what I've got here is a really well-known example, an advertisement that researchers used two variations of. And what they were doing was that they were using eye tracking software in order to see what the viewer was looking at. So in this first example we'll look at is this one here. And the woman's looking directly at the viewer. And as a result, people were naturally looking over here. So they were partially reading some of the text. They were looking at the woman. They weren't looking at the brand. And they weren't looking at the product, which isn't really the point of an advertisement. So here we've got the woman looking directly at the product, shampoo. And as you can see here in red, people are naturally looking at the shampoo because she's looking at it. And there's actually more fixation on the message and some fixation on the brand. And the same applies to your landing page. In this example here, the looking room of the product is looking in the opposite direction of what we really need people to be looking at. The aim should be to get them to look here. However, they're looking over here because that's the direction that the product's facing in. So in this example here, I would move this text over to the left and move the product over to the right so that the product's looking directly at the text and, importantly, at this button here. What I would also do is I would use this button here and I would colour the background so it stands out more. So there we have it. There's a quick example of the kind of things that we would be doing and examining when we look at your website and your landing pages. And we're doing this for £99, but we're running a special promotion right now. And if you allow us to publish your video on our YouTube channel, then we'll halve the price to £49. Hopefully I'll be making you a video soon.